I made a bunch of costumes last year, and I want to make another one. I want to make a head crab zombie costume. If you don't know what a head crab zombie is, it's from a franchise called Half-Life. There's a lot of cool features. There's the head crab, there's the clothes, there's the guts that are hanging out, and there's the extended appendages. What I want to do is I want to make the clothes first, and this should be the easiest video. So what you need: a short white sleeve shirt, a white long sleeve shirt. I'm a size medium, so I'm going up one size. I'll explain later. Some jeans that fit you. Some apple red satin spray paint. It's not the color of blood, but it's what I got. Spray paint the shoulders. Spray paint the stomach. Spray paint the back. I got some barn red and sponge. Put the paint where desired. Get a little bit of water. Squeeze it together. Now you got yourself a drippy effect. Let it dry. Get some jeans. Wait for it to dry. So the reason why I got a size larger is because we're gonna cut open the belly. And we're gonna stuff the sides with matte foam. You can get matte foam out of like any household mattress. We're gonna cut the stomach out where the guts are gonna explode. Get EVA foam and cut out ribs about 7-8 inches long. We're going to put all this inside there. Get some adhesive spray or just some good old contact cement. Hey, cookies. And ta-da! The clothes. Quite bloody, wouldn't you say? I was so hyped on making the guts come out. But no, that's for part 2. Let me show you how I did the ribs. With the help of a friend, Peter, he has the same body structure, I managed to stuff the matte foam where they were supposed to be, and then get some spray adhesive, and I did alongside with the ribs too. I love how the ribs are coming out like this, like somebody just grabbed the bones, just grabbed the rib cage and just went and just started gnarly eating it out. It's not perfect right now. You can tell that it has some kinks. You can still kind of see the foam, but you know, if you want to continue learning how to make this head crab zombie costume build. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.